Myself, Ravikant, working in Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today, I am going to give presentation on the chapter Air Pollution, Unit 2, Course Outcome CO2. Subject is Environmental Sustainability, Civil Engineering, Session 2. Topic is air pollutants. An air pollutant is known as a substance in the air that can cause harm to humans and the environment. Pollutants can be in the form of solid particles, liquid droplets, or gases. In addition, they may be natural or man made. Air pollutants are emitted naturally or from the man made resources. Types of air pollutants. Pollutants can be classified as either primary or secondary. Usually, primary pollutants are substances directly emitted from a process such as ash from a volcanic eruption, the carbon monoxide gas from a motor vehicle exhaust, or sulfur dioxide released from factories. These are primary pollutants. Secondary pollutants are not emitted directly. Rather, they form in the air when primary pollutants react or interact. An important example of a secondary pollutant is ground level ozone, one of the many secondary pollutants that make up photochemical smog. Secondary pollutants are formed by the reaction or the interaction of the primary pollutants. Major primary pollutants produced by human activity include: first one, sulfur oxides. Sulfur dioxide is produced by various industrial processes. Since coal and petroleum often contain sulfur compounds, their combustion generates sulfur dioxide. So, sulfur dioxide is produced by the combustion of coal and petroleum. You can see here coal burning. Second one, nitrogen oxides. Nitrogen dioxide are emitted from high temperature combustion. It is responsible for photochemical smog, acid rain, etc. Third one, carbon monoxide. It is a major pollutant of air which is colorless, odorless, non irritating but very poisonous gas. It is product by incomplete combustion of fuel such as natural gas, coal, or wood. Vehicular exhaust is a major source of carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas emitted from combustion but is also a gas vital to living organisms. It is a natural gas in the atmosphere. Fifth, volatile organic compounds. Volatile organic compounds are an important outdoor air pollutant. In this field, they are often divided into the separate categories of methane, that is CH4, and non-methane, NMVOCs. Methane is an extremely efficient greenhouse gas which contributes to enhanced global warming. Particulate matter. These are tiny particles of solid or liquid suspended in a gas. Some particulates occur naturally, originating from volcanoes, dust storms, forest and grassland fires, leaving vegetation and sea spray. You can see here, this is the sea spray. Human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels in vehicles, power plants. Fine particles causes health hazards such as heart disease, altered lung function and lung cancer. Next, persistent free radicals connected to airborne fine particles could cause cardiopulmonary disease. Next, toxic metals such as lead, cadmium, and copper. Next one is chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. It is the major photochemical smog which is harmful to the ozone layer emitted from products currently banned from use, such as old type refrigerators, air conditioners, and cars. Ammonia, NH3. It is an organic gas emitted from agricultural processes such as fertilization. So, agricultural process that produce the ammonia, that is use of the fertilizers in the fields. Odors such as from garbage, sewage, and industrial processes. Next is radioactive pollutants produced by nuclear explosions, war explosives, and natural process such as the radioactive decay of radon. Secondary pollutants include particulate matter formed from gaseous primary pollutants and compounds in photochemical smog. Smog results from large amounts of coal burning, vehicular and industrial emissions that are acted on in the atmosphere by sunlight to form secondary pollutants that also combine with the primary emissions to form photochemical smog. So this is the brown photochemical smog formed by the combination of sunlight and nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds. Photochemical smog. Ground level ozone O3 formed from nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds. Ozone is important constituent of the stratosphere, commonly known as ozone layer. This is the O3 secondary pollutant formed from primary pollutants. And ozone is here in the stratosphere. Earth is surrounded by the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, but ozone layer is in stratosphere. Next one is peroxyacetyl nitrate, PAN, similarly formed from nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds. Multiple choice questions. Which is the major source for sulfur dioxide? Option: volcanic eruptions, coal and petroleum combustion, burning of wood, sewage treatment process. I repeat, which is the major source of sulfur dioxide? Answer is B, coal and petroleum combustion. Second, which gas is the major pollutant of air? Option A, carbon monoxide, B, nitrogen, C, oxygen, D, propane. Answer is A. Carbon monoxide. It is the major pollutant of air compared to other gases. Third question. The major photochemical smog is A. Hydrogen peroxide, chlorofluorocarbon, C. Peroxyacetyl nitrate, D. All of the above. The answer is D. Chlorofluorocarbon, which is the major photochemical smog. Fourth question. Which of the following is an organic gas? A. Hydrocarbons, B. Aldehydes, C. Ketones, D. Ammonia. Answer is D. Ammonia. Fifth question. Smoke, fumes, ash, dust, nitric oxide and sulfur dioxide are the main sources of A. Primary pollutants, B. Secondary pollutants, C. Biodegradable pollutants, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Primary pollutants. Sixth question. Which of the following agents is mainly responsible for the secondary pollutants? Option A. Ozone, B. Volatile organic compounds, C. Nitrogen dioxide, D. All of the above. I repeat, which of the following agent is responsible for the secondary pollutants? D. All of the above. Seventh, ozone layer is found in A. Mesosphere, B. Ionosphere, C. Stratosphere, D. Exosphere. Answer is C. Stratosphere.